Welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to work on my E46. A couple of things have changed since the last time. Guys, we have finally created the Bluetooth powered exhaust. As you can see, it is exhaust by wire. There is quite some smoke even here. So let's see, let's go for a ride, at least somewhere here. Now it's winter, it was summer before. We installed another hood from the black BMW which we found as parts online. We installed another bumper which is not in the best condition but better than mine was. And the main thing is that we were trying to assemble the E46 and for me to be able to drive the car. But meanwhile, in the, let's say, half of the process, we figured out that it will be much easier and simpler to do, to just disassemble the whole car and restore it how we wanted to restore it in the first place, because there were some hidden faults. In the E46, for example, when I crashed the car, the engine and the engine mounts took some damage, and of course the engine was moving and stopped suddenly. The exhaust system and the catalytic converters, they broke, so there is smoke coming out of the exhaust system. We are going to disassemble the car and hopefully we will piece it together after the restoration. The main part is that we will be working on the rust. The exhaust holder, it rusted out and it is stuck on the car and on the underside of the body, and we will fix all the rust, we will weld everything, then we will start assembling it. So it will be a long process, but let's hope we can do it. We have a lot of boxes ready so that we can hopefully manage all the parts, so we won't lose anything like when you are building furniture from IKEA. So yeah, let's get into it. We will start by disassembling the interior, because my first thought that we will disassemble again the front of the car. This is much smarter because we can move the car out of the garage if we want and then drive it somewhere else, maybe into the ditch if it goes wrong. So yeah, let's start with this. We will take out all the seats except the driver's one, maybe even the driver's seat. I will take out all the trims from the doors, all the control panels, of course all the junk I have in the back, because there is a lot of parts which I bought previously. There are some brake lines which I wanted to change, but this will wait. It waited for a year, I would say, and it can wait again 1 year at least. We will pick everything out and we will mark everything. We will mark every piece, put it separately in the Ziplocs or in the little boxes, and yeah, let's hope we can put it together soon or sometimes. Take out the front seats. I just put on gloves. Working with gloves is good for at least 7 minutes in the beginning. Then you are angry and you cut it on some plastic piece or on some trim. So let's see how long it will take me to rip them apart. Good old rust. 60 G's, baby! 60 G's, baby! Okay, so let's pick the seat out. I managed to disconnect the airbags. I forgot and left the seat belt on. So the seat is removed and we could put it somewhere else. Nice. I promised that I will assemble this car again. So while I am disciplined enough, I'm trying to mark every bolt so I won't lose them. All the bolts, all the caps and everything. Let's see how long it goes before I'm searching for something. Okay, so let's pick the rear seats apart. As you can see here, someone already was installing the rear backup camera, which looks like shit is shit. So it's stuck somewhere here. Now it's stuck on both sides. Someone already had disassembled this central console because there is only one bolt holding this. This should go right out. Yeah, this is the first part. Okay, this is already broken by some good fella, so we will have to weld it by plastic again. Or maybe I will find something that is in better shape, or we can respray it. We will see. So let's try and put everything back so that I won't lose anything. What is next here? Very nice. The leather here is cracked, so we can change that as well. Now we are going to remove all the trim pieces. We can leave doors for now. Okay, smaller side is out. Okay, so the back seat is off. Right side bolt is much longer than the left side. I'm not sure why that is, but okay, this side was not going out that easy like the passenger side. Average BMW enjoyer seat position. It seems to be holding down only by some, I don't know what, but we have every trim piece removed. We managed to get all the trims out, we managed to get all the seats out of the car, and yeah, in the next video we will probably continue with disassembling. Meanwhile, I will clean everything out of this garage. In the next video we are going to jack the car up, we will disassemble the rear axle carrier. We will start probably grinding all the rust off. We'll try to clean it up, remove everything necessary, and then we will probably either start treating the rust and weld and cutting out the rusted pieces, or we will try and prepare the front for the removal of the engine. Okay, so this is everything for today's video. We will see you in the next one. So